New York City, 1973. A jungle of concrete, corruption, and bad haircuts. But not for Frank Serpico. He walked these streets with a conscience and a style that couldn't be bought. Long, unkempt, rebellious, like the man himself. This wasn't just a haircut, it was a statement. Today, we're bringing that look back, raw, free, and unapologetically real. This is the Serpico cut. So what makes the Serpico cut stand out? It's layered, but not polished. The top stays longer, falling naturally with that effortless flow. The sides blend soft, just enough taper to shape the face. No harsh fades here. The back, it moves. It's got that lived-in texture, like it's seen a few things. It's not about perfection. It's about character. That's the Serpico way. Rugged, honest, real, just like the man and the city that inspired it.